Hi friends, this is Soft Freezing. In this lesson we will be exporting this our telecommunications network stand from SAP2000 okay to STAADPRO so as to carry out analysis and design. Okay, so that is what we will be looking at in this lesson. Mind you, this our stand was actually imported from Prota structure. You can't check my video. Okay, you will also go through that video and understand how it was modeled in Prota structure. Okay, so let's start. And also, if this lesson will be of help to you, I know too well. Kindly subscribe for more lesson like this. So let's start. So you will click on file. Okay, once you click on file, you will go to export. In the drop down menu, you will select CIX/2 steps file. Okay, you click on this file. So a dialog will appear. Okay, you click on browse. Then I want to save this file in my document inside a folder. So I will have to locate that folder inside this training folder. I click on it and I click on save. Okay, so I click also on OK. CIX/2 step file export completed. Okay, you click on OK. Alright, so we are going to minimize this. Then we open our STAADPRO. Okay, so we are going to import the file now into STAADPRO. Okay, so we click on file in STAADPRO. You go to import/export. Click, and you will see import CSI/2 file. Okay, so you click on this. In the dialog, you navigate to the training file. In the training file, you click on this and you click on open. And then in the CSI2 links, you click on import. Then you click on closed. So the file has been imported successfully. Okay, so if you check very well, you will notice that in the property, this foundation only have a property, while the main still does not have any property. Okay, so we will be assigning properties to this step. Okay, so if you check very well, this is reinforced concrete. Okay, 350 by 350 columns that hold the stand. Okay, so we will be assigning a property to these beams. Okay, so for us to do that, you select section base. Okay, section database, click on it. In this section database dialog, you will navigate to British. Okay, and you will be using angle iron. Okay, universal angle. Come down, we will use a smaller angle. We use this for the bracing. Okay, so we add, and we will use 70. Okay, 70 by 50 by 6 for the incline column. Okay, so we close this. We will be assigning this, okay, to this stanchion. Okay, so we select it and we will navigate to the front view, this view, and we highlight this. Okay, oh yeah, control key and highlight all this. Okay, highlight this, highlight this. Also do this same thing here. Okay, highlight all that are in this axis. Okay, you can't look at your orthographic. See, some of these has also be highlighted. So what you need to do, you have to remove them by holding down your control key. Alright, so and you will go to select and you go to attribute to check the missing property. You go to view orthographic, you know that these are the missing property. Okay, since missing property has been selected, meaning all these selected beams has no property, so you assign to it. Alright, so after which you have something like this. You want to see in 3D, you click it, so you will be having something like this. Okay, just like this. So the next thing we will have to do, we have to apply load to it. Okay, so we will go to loading. Okay, you will click on loading. In the loading, we will go to load cases detail. You add. Okay, I will be having dead load. Okay, I'll add. Okay, live load, I will add. Then main load, I will also add. Okay, then I will close. This one is dead load. Let me change the, sorry, I want to edit the dead load. Okay, supposed to be DR. I will change it. Okay, alright, so I will come to definitions and I will add, I want to define my main load. Okay, sorry, and I will add. Okay, and closed. Then I will click on the main load and also add. Okay, so this structure, this tower is altogether 11-meter height. So I will impute my height with reference to the wind load. So I will start my wind load from 2 meter. Okay, and then I'll have 3, 4, 5. Okay, so at 2 meter I will be having a wind load of 0.2. At 3 meter I'll be having 0.8 according to the calculation from the wind load. Okay, then I will be having 2 kilonewton, 2 newton per meter square at 4 meter, then 2.5. sorry, here is 2.1, that is 2.2, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.66, 2.8. Okay, so click on add, and the factor is 1. Okay, you add, closed, you assign this to view. Alright, so the next thing you need to do is you go to date load, add, save weight, you add, go to member load, have minus 1.4, you add. Okay, you closed it. Then the live load, you add, you will have the live load that was given is 1.22, add, closed. Okay, you assign this to view. Alright, and then the date load, you will assign it to the braces and the beams of this. So we will select that. Okay, by using this selection, you go to this point and as well this point. Okay, and then you will assign this date load to the selected beams. Okay, and also you will select the braces. Okay, go to this view. Okay, you select it, hold down your control key to ensure all of this is selected. Okay, so you also assign it to the selected. Okay, also come to this view, this other view. Okay, you select this, hold down your control key, select. Okay, and then you will assign to the selected beams. Alright, so you go to your live load. Live load, you are going to select this structure, view it in orthographic. Okay, and you go to select tab under beam panel, you go to parallel and in the direction of X and Z. Okay, this is only where you apply the live load and you apply it. Okay, sorry, you select assign to selected beam and you assign it. Alright, so wheel load, you click on the wheel load hard. Okay, you look at your wheel load, the height, I want it to start from 2 meter to 11 meter. Okay, and I will add and okay. Alright, so it's being applied. This is the wheel load being applied. Okay, so we are through with load application. So we want to do load combination, so we add and then we go to auto combination. In the auto load combination, we will select our code BF5950. Okay, and then we will generate the load. Okay, so once this is still design, and so we don't need this particular one is for foundation design. Okay, this one is also for foundation design, and this one is for member design. This is for steel design 1.2. Okay, and we will add, we closed. Okay, so if you select this, you will be having a something of this nature. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we will go to analysis. Okay, you can also view this in 3D. You go to view and you look at it in 3D. Okay, this is the selected the wheel load applications directions. Okay, and you close it. Okay, then you go to analysis. In the analysis tab, you will go to analysis command. Okay, in the analysis command, you command the program to perform analysis. Okay, and you closed. You come to load list. Okay, in the load list, you add all this load for this analysis. Okay, and then you will okay it. Okay, then you will go to analysis, and then you will save the project and wait for analysis to be carried out. So analysis is successful. You see 0 error, 0 warning, and 0 note, 1 note. Okay, so quickly go to post-processing mode and we click on done. Okay, in this we will select all of this back, and then we take our load combination only. Okay, or we can take all so that we can check the reactions based on all this load. Okay, you go to result and view, you select enable automatic scaling, and then select share and bending. Okay, apply and okay, then you are having this. You can see the deformation shape of the structure. Okay, based on the load applications. So you can quickly check your displacement. Okay, and you can check your moment as well. So this is your bending moment and your shear force. Okay, you can also check it here. Okay, all right, so you can also check the animation. Okay, you click on animation and you will have to check on deflection and you click apply. So this is in respect to the load combinations. Okay, you can see the animation, the movement of the load. So you can come to this place. Okay, you go back, apply it. Okay, okay, and come to this place and check this in respect to wind load. Okay, and you check the animation in respect to wind load. Okay, and so after which you will click on
incoming call from Mary.
deflection. Okay, so you will click on apply. So this is the movement of the structure in respect to the wind direction. Okay, so you click on no animation, apply it, and okay. All right, so after we must have checked all of this, okay, you can also check, look at your reactions. Okay, in all the directions. Okay, so after which we want to go for the designs. Okay, for us to do that, you will go back to your analytical model and then you click on design. Okay, in the design, or before that, you come back to analysis first and then you click on pre-analysis command. Okay, in the pre-analysis command, which we have selected the perform analysis. Okay, we come to post-analysis command. In this post-analysis command, we defined our load. We want to design the structure based on the load combinations, and you select it and click here. Okay, and then you add. Okay, then the next thing, we need the sections to be carried out. You select it and you add. We also need support reactions in our final result. You also could add. Okay, we also need to check for buckling shape. Okay, we also need to check for buckling shape, so you click on it and you add. So all of this, whatsoever you want to the program to give you at the end of the analysis, you add. We did analysis result. Okay, so we also add. Okay, so you click on closed. All right, the next thing we need to do is now we will check all what we have selected so that we can assign this to the structure. Mind you, this base consists of concrete. Okay, this is concrete. Okay, so we don't need this in this analysis and design. Okay, and so what we need to do is we will go to view, we go to one of the first view, and then we will select only this. Okay, because view is orthographic directions and you apply this to the selected beams. Okay, all right, after which you click on this, you do the same thing. You view it these directions and you assign it to selected, assign it to view. All right, so the next thing you need to do is you now have to go to design. Okay, in this design you activate this, after which you will have to select your code. Alright, we are going to use BA5950, okay, part 2000, okay, and then you define your parameter, okay. You click on defined. You check your beam distance between the reference axis. We don't need this. We check this. Okay, this is okay. Cantilever force, we don't have that. Alright, then deflections. Our deflections will be, the limit of our deflections will be 0.022. Okay, and you add. Okay, you also check for this. We don't need this. D max. Okay, our D max will be 0.7. Sorry, 0.100. Add. Okay, so one other thing, we check for the lag length. Okay, the lag length is 4 meter. No, it's 2 meter. Okay, you add. And then the next thing we need to check here is no slenderness check. We will do slenderness check. Okay, and we add. Okay, and then we will go to PY, the strength. This is the strength we are going to use. Okay, this is 275,000. Okay, you add. All right, you check this steel grade. We are going to be using steel grade S275. Okay, you add. Okay, and then you will click on this, and then you select print all critical members, print deflection check, and then you add. Okay, then you close it. You now check, and then we will have to assign this to the structure. Okay, you click on the first one, deflection. Okay, and we will click on view, and we select this, highlight all of this way. Okay, and you view it. Okay, and then you will assign it to the selected beam. You assign. Okay, and then you will also click on the deflections. You do the same thing. Mind you, we are not applying this to the concrete member. Okay, you view it so you can see it very well, and then you assign to the selected beam. All right, so we'll also go back this way and select this, assign. Check this, select it, assigned. Also this, assign. Also assign. Okay, so we have done all the necessary assignment. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we click on the command. Okay, we check code. All right, let's see if we have check code. Okay, there is no check code, so we will add check code. Okay, all right, then we will add select member, assign, and we will add take off, assign. There is no group. Okay, the group is fixed. Okay, so you can also select fixed group and add. All right, so we will assign this also to view. Select this, assign it to view. Okay, select this, assign it to this. Okay, click on assign. Okay, you will still take off, and you will also assign. Okay, say yes. All right, so after which, what you now need to do is you will now have to run analysis again. So you go back to the analysis tab. Okay, you click on analysis, run analysis. Okay, and you save the project. You say yes. So the project will run analysis. Okay, it will take a little time. All right, so we are having 0 error, we are having 6 warning, and then we are having 1 node. Okay, so you go to your post process and you click done. Okay, so this is what you will be having. All right, and so with this, okay, we will check our utilization ratio. You click on layout and click on this. So you can see, if you check very well here, you will notice that most of this property has been designed successfully. Okay, you can see that the analysis property is 70 by 50 by 6. The system design property is 20 by 20 by 3, meaning this is too big. Okay, with this structure can't be able to stand. Okay, all right, and other informations, okay, comprises the size and the length of this. Okay, and every other things has been successfully designed. Okay, so quickly we want to go into printing our report. Mind you, we didn't take any picture. Okay, but I would like us to take a few pictures before we go into printing. Okay, close this. All right, so you select on the view. Okay, we are supposed to be taking pictures, but maybe I will do a video that will comprise that. But let's print the analysis and result of this still design of this telecommunication stance. Okay, so you go to result and you click on report. Okay, in the report it will show you to add the input, so you can add a section that you inputted. Okay, I think that's the only thing, and then the load combination or the load cases. Okay, you add. All right, then you go down and go to output. Okay, in the output, what we will add the reaction. Okay, after which we will add the utilization ratio table. Okay, and we will add also the output, and then we will supposed to have been design details. Okay, bin displacement details. Okay, you add and you click on print. Okay, so once you click on print, you go to print here. Okay, and you select the PDF. Okay, and then you click on okay. It's asking us to save it, so we will go to the training file. I'll click and then we save it here. Alright, so this is all that we have be able to print. Okay, you can see our utilization ratio, okay, analysis property, design property, okay, and the rest of them and other things. Okay, so I know this lesson has helped you in one way or the other. Kindly subscribe, like the video, and share it. Hit the bell notification icon for more lesson of this kind. Okay, so bye for now.